to our time of meditation. On this sacred Sunday, honoring the dream, the vision of all those who came for us and before us. With the vision of equality, of humanity, of co-creating from our highest self, our highest nature, co-creating a world that works for all. So we breathe into the legacy of Martin Luther King. Allow his image to come to mind. This is a man who knew his value, his worth, his God. Who gave his heart and his life in action to a high vision, a holy knowing within that we are created in the image and likeness of the divine. That the great gift of life and the great giver of life are free, abundant, and here to be available to all. So I invite our hearts to soften into compassion and love as we breathe into a deepened experience and understanding of our power to vision. In New Thought, we say, see it right, to set it right. So I invite you to dedicate this meditation today to something or someone you would hold the vision for. And in this time of meditation, seeing it right. Stepping into a high vision. Getting clear about what that looks like in the mind. And as you clarify, we visualize. And then we bring the energy between the mind and the heart together. To cultivate, not to wait for, but to cultivate the feeling of this vision unfolding. to consciously utilize the generative power of gratitude, not as a response or an experience after something has occurred, but as a proactive feeling in recognition that creation is first in mind, and that this field of the mind and the emotions and the vision is filled with light and activity. As we hold this silence. What a gift. A gift of being together in the silence. In this sanctuary on holy ground. And right where we are, wherever we are, experiencing this moment together. Knowing that we are spread out across the country. And just like a beautiful web of life, we visualize our community like flights on an airline map. Coming back here to Unity Village and spreading out from this center. What a gift, our togetherness. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.